In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create OneDrive account in laptop 5 minutes. Whether you're on a Windows or Mac laptop, this is quick and simple. All you need is a browser, a stable internet connection, and access to an email inbox you can check right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to onedrive.com. On the homepage, select the option to create an account. If you already use Microsoft services, you could sign in with that account, but here we'll set up a brand new one. When the sign up form appears, type in the email address you want to use. This can be any address you control, not just a Microsoft one. Take a second to double check spelling, then choose next so the system can confirm it's valid. Now create your password. Choose something unique and strong. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess and don't reuse passwords from other sites. Click next when you're ready. You'll be asked for your name. Enter your first and last name as you want them to appear in your account, then select next to continue. Next, set your country or region and your birth date. This helps tailor your account settings and can assist with recovery if you ever get locked out. After you fill those in, click Next. Microsoft will send a verification code to the email you provided. Open your inbox in another tab, find the message, and copy the code. If it isn't there, check your spam or junk folder, or wait a moment and use the resend option. Paste the code into the verification box and click Next. From here, follow the prompts on screen to complete setup. You may see a quick human verification puzzle or be asked to review terms. Read what's shown and continue as directed. You might also be asked to verify your email again or add a phone number for extra security. This helps with account recovery and enables two-step verification later. If prompted, follow the instructions to confirm. When everything is finished, you'll land in OneDrive on the web, ready to upload files and organize folders from your laptop. Consider bookmarking the page for quick access. If you're on Windows, the OneDrive app is usually built in, so you can sign in there later to sync files between your laptop and the cloud automatically. For security, keep your recovery info up to date and sign out if you're using a shared device. And that's it. You've created your OneDrive account in just a few minutes.